Hi everyone, this is Jacob Marsh from Phoenix Audio Technologies, and in this video we're going to do the 15 speakerphone challenge. So as you guys might already know, you can daisy chain our spider units to cover much larger rooms, and you might also be aware of the fact that you can daisy chain up to 15 units. So 15 units is up to 450 foot of coverage, and although we talk about it, we've never really showed it, so that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. We have 15 units. Now, since we couldn't find a 450 foot table, we're gonna have to make do with this 30 foot table, but we're still gonna connect 15 units to it. And once we do that, we will actually use the units to make a call using my cell phone. Now, again, like we said, 15 units, 450 feet. We could not find a conference room that's that big. So instead, we're just using this table, which is about 30 feet long. I would never put 3 spider units on one table. That's way overkill. So in this 30 foot table, I would actually probably put only 3 units if I was really setting it up for a conference call. But again, just for the sake of the video, we're gonna do 15 units. So let's go ahead and set it up and we'll see how it's done, and then we'll make some fun calls. Let's go do that. Let's get going. So 15 units, 30 foot table. We're gonna start all the way at this end with the first unit, and we're gonna go ahead and designate it as our master unit. Now the only reason we're doing that is because this is where my smartphone is, and this is where I want the master unit to be. It could be at the other end, it does not really matter. So to start the daisy chain connection, the first thing we're gonna do is we'll take the master unit and we're gonna go ahead and plug our cable into the audio output of the master unit, and the other end is gonna go into my smartphone. And now we just start daisy chaining everything. So to daisy chain back to that first unit, we're gonna go into its link down connection. So we'll plug one end into the link down, and the other end of that cable is gonna go into the link up of the next unit or its satellite unit, and it's gonna go into its link up. So once that's connected, again, another cable, gonna go into this unit's daisy chain down link, and you guessed it, into the next unit's daisy chain uplink. And that's just how we're gonna continue going. So it's gonna go all the way down the link, and once we have everything connected, we're gonna have to plug in power sources. Now we're gonna use power chaining. And remember, with power chaining, 148 volt power supply is enough to power up to 8 units. Now since we're gonna have 15 units here, we're gonna use 248 volt power supplies, and we can plug them in anywhere in the chain. At the 2 far ends, right next to each other, the first and the second unit, the 13th and 14th unit if you wanted, it does not matter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue connecting this. Shouldn't take me more than another minute or two, and we'll make some phone calls. All right guys, so we're done. That took just over 3 minutes, and we have all 15 units connected. Again, that's 15 speakers working in this room and 60 microphones, and we're good to go. So plug it into my phone. I am ready to call someone, and we'll have some fun with that. So let's call Zach from the office. Just dialing him on my iPhone. Hopefully he picks up.
Yes, sir.
Hey Zach, how's it going?
Good, good. What's going on?
Nothing much, just calling you from 15 spider units right now. So it's 60 microphones and 15 speakers, and you're loud and clear. How was your day?
Very good. So you're telling me that our products do what we advertise them to do?
So Zach is pretty funny. Yes, they do, sir.
Wow. Yeah, it sounds brilliant. That is, that's awesome.
All right, well, I appreciate you being a test bunny for us, and we're gonna go ahead and hang up on you and call someone more interesting.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
All right, take care.
All right, bye.
All right, so that was that. You saw phone call works, people can hear you, 15 units work, only 2 power supplies. We can stretch this daisy chain up to 450 feet and still get good pickup. And you know, in this situation, we're just plugged into my smartphone. We could have had this unit plugged through USB to a computer and done a video audio conferencing. We could also had as the master unit a 505 unit or a 502 unit and just dialed out a regular phone call. But the idea is 15 units, you can do it. You just need 2 power sources, 15 units, 14 daisy chain cables, and whatever you're going to conference with. So thank you for joining me in this video. I hope we were able to show you how we do daisy chain for really large rooms. And if you have any other great ideas for fun or interesting videos, just let us know and we'll try to shoot them for you. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.